gonna slice the potato. When you slice the potato, after you slice, soak in the water, because if not, they're gonna be just like a blackish color. You need to smash the garlic. It's easy. Okay, my friend, I'm gonna cook this thing. The onion, sweet pepper, garlic, ginger, lemongrass. You know the lemongrass because I put this in my ref and almost dying, but it's still good. So that you can fold it, you need to soak in the water first, and then you fold it like this. And green peas and potato, and this chicken is chicken thigh. I just put only the salt, pepper, and a little sugar. Now I'm gonna apply this one by one. Okay, I'm gonna look. Let's flip over again. Side is already brown. Take out the chicken butt. Alright. Turn off the stove. This time, I'm gonna fry the potato. Here we go. Okay, it's time to take out now. See, it's not too much brown. At least a little bit of yellowish, like this. It's time. Garlic, ginger, garlic, and onion, and put that. Time to put the chicken. Just put a little bit of fish sauce. See that? Just small only. Put a little bit of water. Okay. Now this is the time to put the potato. There we go. Now I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of ketchup. I love ketchup. I put 1/2 of chicken bouillon cubes. That's the one. Red black pepper. Okay, come on, open it. Red black pepper. Sprinkle in there. Paprika. Oregano. Yes. Alright, almost. 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Only 1 teaspoon. So much salt. It's up to you guys. I'm a senior, so I don't want too much. Yoop. Okay, I see. Alright. Cook now the potato. How about your chicken? Yes, tender. I'm hungry chicken. Then turn off the stove and put this. There we go. Yes. This is it. Okay, I'm gonna try. Is good or not? I'm gonna try. This little chicken. I want a little chicken. There we go. My goodness, I need rice. Rice is my life here. Without rice, I cannot survive. Okay, hope you like my recipe, guys. Take care and God bless. See you next time. Now, when you serve, you can take out this. Like that. Okay. I'm gonna put this in the tray. Okay, I'm gonna put this in there. Oh, yummy. My favorite of my daughter. Everyone, there it is. It's done. Hope you like my recipe. Alright. See you next time. God bless you all. Take care.